Welcome to Sister Fun Farm. Today I'm going to be making a birthday cake for my friend. You'll first need is a bowl and a whisk and all the ingredients it says on the back of the box. You can get these boxes at Walmart and Dollar General. We're going to first put all the powder in here. Now I'm going to add 1 whole cup of water and then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 3 eggs. Some people do 4, then you gotta add more of everything. There. We are going to spray it with olive oil or coconut oil so the cake won't stick onto the pan while it's baking. Looks like my batter is ready to be poured into the pan. So this is the finished look. He's a boy, as you can see, who I'm making it for, and he's turning 9. So he wanted a tractor on there, and I thought, why not make some brown cake, and then take some of it, and then crumble it up and make it look like mud. Same what we did with the pigs. And then the cow we just stuck in there. It's cute. Then over there's the pond. It's a blue pond, it's on the rise. Thanks for watching on this journey with my cake. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you later.